yesterday?
We did magic dust
Very good.
on people who are serving.
Okay.
Then magic rock, of course, end of the day before we wind up. Then the count your blessings, gratitude to parents,
Wow.
and then the bill that is thank you paid.
Okay. So that's very nice. If you all have been practicing, yesterday's practice was very powerful. We feel it's very small, but it's very powerful because the more you give, to other people, the blessings, the more you receive. So even if you're sitting at home, even if you don't go out, what you need to do is at least say thank you for all the people who are giving you the service, the sweeper, even the electricity people, who pull the poles, or the people who dug the roads, you know to put those wires, those cables. So even those people are really very important. And yesterday I had written in the for an example also in the home practice, like what you need to do, like even if your boss is grumpy, or you are having some issue with some colleague, that time also, if you just, if your colleague is also shouting and if you just do magic dust on them in your mind, I'm really telling you, it creates amazing results, amazing results. So you will have, you will have a good flow of, happy mornings and happy days towards the end, every day. Whole day will be very nice. And yesterday we had shared this practices of today. So we'll start with the prayer first.
Yeah.
Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you, universe, for giving us this divine time. Thank you, universe, for the divine nature. Thank you, universe, for bringing us together on this journey. Thank you, universe, for giving us the guidance to go inside us and understand ourselves. Thank you, universe, for blessing each one of us and giving us the courage to get up early and do these practices. Thank you, universe, for being with us the time we practice and the time we spend throughout the day. Thank you, universe, for all that you have given to us. Thank you for this internet. Thank you for this time. Thank you for the Wi-Fi. Thank you for the laptop. Thank you for the phone from where we can attend our sessions. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Open your eyes. Sorry. So today's chapter is also very nice because we had discussed yesterday about it. When you start your day, you start in a very positive way by saying thank you to your bed, by saying thank you to the washroom, the water, even your excretory system. So let's start. Today's chapter is a magic morning. Okay. So how you can make your mornings magical. So you can see the washroom in this picture. How nicely she has projected each and everything. So, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius, 121 to 180, Roman Emperor. So, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is. People say, people just get up in the morning and they just rush to the washroom, brush their teeth and all, and then get up. Oh, we have to go to the office. But when you arise in the morning, think what a privilege it is that you are alive today. We had discussed about this earlier also, that there are some people who do not see the morning. They die right on the bed, right? So it is so, what a privilege, it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, and to love. The easiest and the simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magics is to fill your morning with gratitude. So, when you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day. So, if you start your day well, if you start saying thank you for everything, for your bed, for your pillow, for the bed sheet you were on, and then your toothbrush, the water, the geyser, whatever you have, for your daily routine, which is helping you out, to make your mornings better. Be thankful for that. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. So you don't have to remove special time, to say thank you to the tap or thank you to the, because you are already in the washroom in the morning or when you get up, So you can always say, thank you to the floor, thank you to the geyser, electricity. So each morning you can imagine ki the day when you get up and there is no electricity and it's very cold. How do you feel? Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts without realizing you are doing. यानी हम अनजाने में ही हमको ध्यान भी नहीं रहता है कि हम जैसे उठते हैं ना, तो हमारी जो थॉट्स होती है ना वो एकदम नेगेटिव में चली जाती है. वी आर ऑलवेज, द मोमेंट वी गेट अप, our thoughts are moving towards the negative things because you start thinking, oh, I hope I finish on time, I have to do this, I have to do that. So you are already, you the moment you get up, your thought process starts. So there's no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for the things to be grateful for. So if you remain focused in something, if you're focusing, on being thankful, so you will not have those negative thoughts in your mind. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you see the magic happen before your eyes. So when you wake up to the new day, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift. And when you really think about it, it's inconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. So today, just close your eyes and think what a gift it is that you are alive today, because we have never thought on this process, we have never thought on this thought ki whether when we get up it is okay, we feel it very normal, but it's a gift, because if you are alive it's a gift. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are, or if your alarm has woken you up for work, or you have slept in during the weekend. The moment you wake up, say the magic words, thank you for another day of life. So see, however like sleepy you are, your alarm has woken up for your work and you don't have time, but you still have to be very thankful. Say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed? So that means, did you get a bed, right? Did you have a bed to sleep? आपके पास बेड था, आपके पास पिलो था, आपके पास बेड शीट्स थी, you had an alarm. So thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Even the husbands can say thank you to the wife, if the bed is arranged properly when you went to sleep. Okay, and you had a good sleep. So you can at least say thank you in the morning that my bed was arranged properly and kept. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? So say thank you. So imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across the country throughout your city and along all the streets to your home, so you can turn a tap and receive beautiful clean hot water. Imagine the day when there is no water. How do we feel? कितना प्रॉब्लम्स होता है अगर हमारे घर में पानी नहीं आता है जिस दिन बोलते हैं कि पानी बंद होने वाला है, राइट टुडे. So how much problem, you have to fill the vessels and keep, and you have to think, okay, this much water. So understand how important, how much time it would have taken for the people who dug the pipes, roads, and put the pipes, so that the water reaches to our place. So be thankful for that water. Be thankful for the rain. Be thankful for the rain, because if the rains are there, we are getting water. So as you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. There are some people who do not have the privilege of having a toothbrush also. If you go to the villages, to the very lower areas, you will see they use those sticks, or they use coal. So they don't have that privilege of having a toothbrush and toothpaste also. So we are so privileged that we have these small, small things, which may make our day pleasant. Thank you for the towels, the soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom you use that makes you feel fresh, awake, ready for the day. So imagine you have a towel, you have soap, you have mirror, and everything in the bathroom. And even be thankful for the people who clean your washrooms. If you have your maids coming home, अगर आपके पास आपके घर में काम वाली आती है जो आपका वॉशरूम वगैरह धोती है, आप उसको भी थैंक यू बोलिए, बिकॉज शी इज ट्राइंग टू कीप द थिंग्स क्लीन. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have the clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. So imagine if you didn't have clothes. So you are fortunate that you have clothes. So be here, you don't only have to be thankful for your clothes, you have to be thankful for the money that you have clothes, that you could buy clothes. You have to be thankful to your parents who gave you clothes when you were small. So think all those things, ki today you are that capable that you can buy your own clothes because your parents made you that capable. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear in one day. So imagine आप स्वेटर्स पहनते हो, शॉल्स ओढ़ते हो, मफलर्स लेते हो, जैकेट्स पहनते हो, कपड़े पहनते हो रोज के, अंडर गारमेंट्स पहनते हो. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच वी गेट टू वेयर. But have we been anytime thankful for such small things? How many people are working in the factory, to make these clothes for us? But when we go to the mall, we just select, we wear it and see, and we are ready, right? One minute. I will just share again because I was not able to see people. Yes. So what you need to do is you have to be thankful for all the smallest things you have, right? You have to be thankful for all that you have. So say thank you. 1 minute. We were here. So imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid pipes across the country throughout your city, along all the streets to your home, so you can turn a tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water, toothbrush, toothpaste, you have mirror, bathroom, everything. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have the clothes to wear. And think about the people, who are making these clothes. Imagine, इतने सारे लोग एक साथ में जुड़ते हैं तब जाके कपड़े बनते हैं. बट हमने आज तक तो कभी उस चीजों को शुक्रिया नहीं बोला है. And there are, you get clothes from so many countries. It's not that only in India or, or only in the country which you are staying. You get clothes from many countries across the planet. So thank you to everybody. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for your shoes. Thank you for the legs you have, right? That you can wear your shoes. So we have never been able to say thank you to the cobblers who repair our shoes. We never say thank you to the people who make our shoes. So from today, just think of the smallest things you have been getting, and we just take for granted. हम पैसे देके खरीदते हैं ना, तो हमको लगता है अरे उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है. But imagine if those people would have not got the ideas of making the shoes, what we would have done. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. J.B. Presley, 1894 to 1984, writer and playwright. So I have been always delighted at the prospect of a new, fresh try, one more start. Means हर दिन आपको एक नया मौका दे रहा है, हर दिन. द मोमेंट यू गेट अप, इफ यू से आई एम फीलिंग वेरी लेजी टुडे, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी सिक टुडे, यू विल बी सिक. इफ यू से आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे, चलो कोई नहीं, कल मेरा दिन फेलियर में गया, आई वॉज अ फेलियर, मेरा चीजें अच्छी नहीं गई. बट इफ यू स्टार्ट योर डे बाय सेइंग आई विल ट्राई इट अगेन टुडे, सो यू आर गेटिंग वन मोर स्टार्ट. आपके लिए एक नया और मौका दिया जाता है. हर दिन जब सूरज उगता है, ये ध्यान करो कि हर दिन जब सूरज उगता है आपको एक नया मौका मिलता है. सो वन मोर फ्रेश स्टार्ट, विथ परहैप्स अ मोर बिट ऑफ मैजिक वेटिंग समवेयर बिहाइंड द मॉर्निंग. यानी उस सुबह के पीछे, अगर आप उस सोच से उठते हो कि ठीक है कल अच्छा नहीं था, या कल मैं इस चीज में फेल हो गया, मैं सुबह में उठने में असक्षम रहा. बट अगर अगर आप ऐसा बोलते हो, अगर आप अपने आप को ये बोलते हो कि अरे मेरे पास तो नया दिन है, आज मैं और कुछ नया कर सकता हूँ, आज मैं फिर से ट्राई कर सकता हूँ, तो यू आर रियली गोइंग टू डू इट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. See, if you're using your comb, if you're using you take bath, you're using your towel, you're wearing your undergarments, you're anything. I mean, powder, you're using powder. If you're standing in front of your mirror, say thank you to the mirror. So the moment you get up till you're getting ready to go out, if you're going out to the office or for your work, say thank you for each and everything you touch, your breakfast plate, everything. So say the magic words thank you in your mind. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning. You can still use this magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. So she's saying even if you don't get up and dress up or take a shower early in the morning, there are some people who take shower later on, they get up and they do their writing practice of gratitude, or they do some other meditation or anything. So even if it is like, you can start your morning by saying thank you. आपकी सुबह आप मॉर्निंग थैंक यू से शुरू कर सकते हैं. इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट टेकन बाथ, अगर आपने शॉवर भी नहीं लिया है तो भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू वेक अप एंड ईट ब्रेकफास्ट फर्स्ट, देयर आर इन सम कंट्रीज पीपल हैव दे वॉश देयर फेस एंड ऑल, देन दे हैव देयर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लेटर ऑन दे गो फॉर बाथ. So even that time you can, the moment you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say magic words thank you. So thank you कितना important है आप समझिए. और thank you सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है, उसको दिल से फील करना है कि वाओ आज मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट तो मिला, वाओ मेरे पास कोम तो है, मैं कोम कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, वाओ मेरे पास मिरर तो है जिसमें मैं देख सकता हूँ, भले फिर छोटा मिरर ही क्यों नहीं हो. सो द मोमेंट यू से वाओ टू योर थिंग्स, आपकी चीजें बढ़नी शुरू हो जाती है. गिव थैंक्स फॉर योर मॉर्निंग कॉफी, टी, fruit juice, or even the water if you are drinking, even just plain hot water also if you are drinking, just say thank you. Or breakfast, they make your morning so enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for your breakfast, the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, or kettle. So the ladies who go in the kitchen and they're preparing breakfast, हमेशा हम हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे पास फ्रिज है, मिक्सर है, टोस्टर है, ओवन है, कि हम चीजें बना पा रहे हैं, हमारे पास आटा है, गेहूं है, कि वी हैव एग्स, वट एवर यू आर मेकिंग फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट. सो द मोमेंट यू आर डूइंग एनी वर्क, in your mind you should always be saying thank you. Every day without exception I say thank, as I put one foot on the floor, and you as my other foot, means thank and you as my other foot touches the floor. So she's saying that the moment I put my one foot down I say thank, and when I put the other foot down I say you, so thank you. as my other foot touches the floor, so that as both feet touch the floor, for the first time each day, I have said thank you. So the moment she says कि मैं जैसे धरती पे कदम रखती हूँ, क्योंकि धरती माता हमको मौका दे रही है उसके ऊपर पैर रखने के लिए, हमको खड़े रखती है। नहीं तो धरती तो गोल फिर रही है, बट स्टिल हम सीधा खड़े रहते हैं। तो हमको उसका शुक्रगुजार होना है, हमको उसके लिए शुक्रिया करना है कि आपने आज मुझे जिंदा रखा, मैं आपकी वजह से मैं खड़ी हो पाई। ओके, सो यू हैव टू से थैंक यू। I said thank you. As I walk toward my bathroom, I say magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy and I know my gratitude has worked, I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one good thing after another happens. So she's saying that the moment she starts saying gratitude, one after the other, अच्छी चीजें शुरू हो जाती है उसके दिन में. And as each good thing happens, I'm even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know, those days when everything just seems to go right for you. Well, that's what's like after doing magic morning, but multiplied. Come on, today let's do one practice. Get up from your chairs and just go and walk in your room and come by saying thank you. Come on, take the magic footsteps. Let's do it. Magic practice number 11. So when you wake up to a new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. See, today's practice first says that when you wake up to a new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. Okay? She has not said that count your blessing first. Today's magic practice, be alert and read it. कि द मोमेंट आप जब उठते हो पहले आप थैंक यू बोलोगे, दैट आप जिंदा हो, right? From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words, thank you, in your mind for everything you touch and use. यानी the moment you आप उठते हो, बाथरूम तक जाते हो, बाथरूम टैप, पानी, bucket, mug, geyser, soap, whatever, shampoo, whatever you are using in the washroom, Colgate, paste, anything, whatever, brush, you are going to say thank you for it. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings, sorry. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing you can. This I hope you all are doing every day. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So here we end the chapter. Yes, tell me now. I hope you all have understood today why magic
Yes.
morning is important,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Why magic
Yes.
is important? Because the moment you start the morning with a good note, you will see, even if you're praying, say thank you for on what you're praying, say thank you to your mandir or whatever it is. You can start praying for each and every small thing, your gas, your cup. Even if you have a cup, you're drinking water. Even if you have this bottle with you, where I've told you to keep and charge your water every day. Even if you have a bottle of water and you drink that, say thank you for it. The moment you take a sip, now it should come into your, a daily habit. Thank you should automatically come from inside, right? Thank you should come immediately from inside. So you can do one more thing today. I hope you all have money with you, right? The money note we had made एंड आई होप यू आर चार्जिंग इट एवरी डे। चार्जिंग का मतलब होता है जो हमने नोट बनाया था जिसके ऊपर हमने लिखा था थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी गिवन थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ। टेक दैट मनी इन योर हैंड, okay? If you have not, I'll give you more 2 minutes. You can go and get it. Or even if you don't have that money, you can just take a simple note. Or if you have that money where you have written, you can take that, right? Take the money like that and just keep it here and just close your eyes, okay? Just close your eyes. And I'm saying something just here. And in your mind, just say thank you, okay? Thank you for the money given to me throughout my life. Today I'm going to show you how to you're going to say thank you to the money, okay? So thank you. Did you have money when you were small? Did your papa give you pocket money? Be thankful for that. Okay, your papa had money that he could give it to you. So you're saying thank you to the money. Did you have food to eat? Say thank you for the money. Did your papa or mommy get clothes for you? Say thank you that you have received money because you got clothes to wear. Your money was there with your papa and mommy that they could buy clothes for you. So you're saying thank you for that money now. Thank you. Did you have, did you go on vacations? Did your papa take you for the vacations? किधर हम घूमने गए हो, किधर हमको फिराया हो? क्या आपके पापा ने आपको होटल में लेके गए हो, या गणपति दिखाने को लेके गए हो, या आपके पापा ने आपको पिक्चर दिखाया हो, मूवीज दिखाया हो? सो इफ यू हैव सीन एनी मूवी, योर पेरेंट्स हैव टेकन यू फॉर मूवी, सो यू हैड मनी, your parents had that money for you, so say thank you for that money. Do you have money now to buy clothes? आप एक जोड़ी कपड़ा खरीद पाते हो? So say thank you. Do you receive gifts in any form? Maybe clothes, jewelry, cosmetics, wallets, anything. So say thank you for the money that I received. Do you buy your food items now on your own? आज अगर आपका चाय पीने का दिल होता है तो क्या आप जाके एक कप चाय पी सकते हो? तो आपके पास पैसा है, सो से थैंक यू फॉर इट। अगर आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना होता है तो क्या आपके पास पेट्रोल के पैसे हैं? तो जस्ट से इन योर माइंड थैंक यू फॉर द पेट्रोल, थैंक यू फॉर द मनी फॉर द पेट्रोल। अगर आज आपका टीवी देखने का मन करता है तो क्या आपके पास घर में टीवी है, भले छोटा ही क्यों ना हो, पर आप वो टीवी देख पाते हो? सो से थैंक यू। क्या आप इतने सक्षम हो अभी कि आप फोन या इंटरनेट पे ये सेशन अटेंड कर पाते हो? ड्यू टू द इंटरनेट, सो यू हैव द मनी टू बाय इंटरनेट, सो थैंक यू। थैंक यू टू द फोन कि आप वो फोन खरीद पाए, कि आपके पास पैसा था कि आप ये फोन खरीद पाए। अगर आपको किसी ने गिफ्ट दिया, जैसे हस्बैंड ने वाइफ को दिया, या वाइफ ने हस्बैंड को दिया, या फादर ने अपने बेटे को दिया, या किसी दोस्त ने अपने दोस्त को दिया है, उसके लिए थैंक यू, बिकॉज तभी आपके पास पैसा है। सो से थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी यू हैव रिसीव्ड टिल नाउ। अगर आपको किधर जाना होता है, अगर आपको होटल में जाके खाने का दिल होता है, तो आप अफोर्ड कर पाते हो कि मैं जाके एटलीस्ट एक डिश खा पाऊँ? तो आपके पास पैसा है। So say thank you for the money. अगर आपका वड़ा पाव खाने का दिल होता है या मिसल खाने का दिल होता है या पुलाव खाने का दिल होता है तो आप खा पाते हो. सो से थैंक यू वो खाने के लिए जो आप पैसे से खरीद पाते हो. Now just close your eyes and keep in your mind what you want from the money. And just say in the format, thank you, thank you, thank you for the money. जो भी आपको चाहिए उसके लिए. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Open your eyes. How are you feeling?
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is how you're going to charge your money every time. Whenever you're sitting, whenever you're free, or in the morning, when you finish, count your blessings. In the mind, say thank you. What we did was, sorry, PPF, that is past, present, and future. Okay. What we did was past, present, and future. So you had money, now you have money, and then so this is how you are going to um, charge your money every day and be thankful for it. Yes, anyone wants to share anything? Mangal ma'am? Mangal
Yeah,
ma'am,
I wanted to share.
amazing.
Yesterday, I gave an affirmation to my water. I'm energetic throughout the day. Actually, I got up at 4 o'clock for my, like, you only doing the things from me, Amrut Vela, and whole day I didn't feel, yeah, I'm tired. So it was amazing for me. I not even slept a single moment. So it is like magic for me.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Wow.
you.
Amazing. Amazing. See, what she's saying is that she charged her water yesterday, saying that I am energetic throughout the day. And she found that the whole day she was energetic. She did not sleep. Okay. So that is how, because the moment you say, to your water anything, it has memory. So it stores for you and it helps you, and keep drinking that water. Even when you are sick, just say that I'm healed to your water, and start drinking that water. Even if your head is paining, instead of, going and popping a pill, you know, do this. Look at the water, give the observer effect. That is called the observer effect. Look at it like that for some time and then say, thank you for the water. You are there in my body. You are very good. You give me energy because you're being thankful for anything. See how when you pray to God, right? When you pray to God, you become thankful, right? You say thank you to God. हम मस्का मारते हैं ना भगवान को कितनी बार कि हमको ये दे दो, वो दे दो, हमको ये करो, वो करो. So the same way, if you say to your water also, you say very good words to your water first, and then you energize it and drink it. Whatever you want, you get it. But first, be thankful. That is important. ऐसे नहीं कि पानी लिया डायरेक्ट कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, I want this, I want that. No. First, you have to be very thankful for the water, and then you have to say whatever you want. Yes. Anything else? Any sharing, any questions coming from today's practice? Or before practices, see, we have reached to today 11th, and tomorrow will be our 12th. Okay, the magical people who make difference in your life. So, like, we will have 12 chapters now, which where we have collected gratitude. So, if you have been practicing gratitude, very nicely, if you have been practicing gratitude very nicely and you have understood everything, then you have really earned gratitude in so many days, because practices are very important. Only अगर आप practice कर रहे हो, then it is going to be very effective. Practices are very important. See, one other day, it's okay, you are like really very sick or something has happened or you were really out and you could not make it. Make it a point that morning I could not write, so at least I'll write it down. At least 5 sentences I will write at night. Because writing is only going to take you to that level of feelings, because now we are just writing. Imagine we are just writing. इतने feelings नहीं आए अभी तक. So that feelings have to come. Those feelings आने के लिए टाइम लगता है. We take time to get those exact feelings basically. So you need to create those feelings. You should have that connectivity, कि you're like you're really feeling grateful for your parents. You're really feeling grateful for the workers who are doing something for you. So that feeling is also very important. Okay, so that feeling is also very important for you. So now why we ask you to write is because your hand, eye, brain, all coordination is happening. And writing rewires the brain then, because the written word enters, if you know that our memory works on pictures. Okay. Our memory works on pictures. So if you have those pictures in your mind, when you're writing, you recall, yes, my father had taken me to eat kulfi. Wow. You know, so that is how we start, thinking and feeling. Then the real feeling comes, and those memories are there already stored in our subconscious mind. So where we have to reach, and then only we can get to our dreams. Then then whatever you say will happen. The moment you say this, it will happen. The moment you say this, it will happen. But practices, continuous practices are very important. So that is why I keep on doing this book again and again, again and again, because the moment you do, you feel कि हाँ ये तो chapter मुझे मालूम है. You won't imagine that very day you will get some new opening from that book. So your practice also happens if you keep doing it again and again, because you are revising and you are into the gratitude practices, and that keeps you into the gratitude practices. That is how I keep myself into the practices, so that I don't leave my practices. So no questions? Anything else? Any practices which you are not understanding? You understood how to charge your money. You understood how to charge your water, right?
Yes.
Health card. I hope every day you all are doing the gift of the health is keeping me alive.
Yes.
Don't forget your health. Health is very important. So anytime you're going in the kitchen, anywhere, put everywhere the gift of the health is keeping me alive. The gift. So at least when you read, that words remind you that you are blessed with good health and you're just saying thank you for it on the spot. Try to do that. Any other question coming to your mind? So don't forget the gift of your health is keeping me alive. Very important. And bless your relationships also. Bless your relationships also.
I have one small query.
Yeah.
On the first day,
Hmm.
you told about one thing about the Newton's law,
Yeah.
that opposites attract.
Hmm.
And you had given a very good explanation also with regards to how it works.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I've lost that particular thought line, what you had explained.
See, I had said like
Because,
attracts like.
yeah, because opposites attract. Now, if we are doing something good and, okay, so opposites, if you are doing good, so as per Newton's law, opposites attract. So something bad should happen. That was again, it has come back to. But that day you had explained to me a very over explained to all of us in a very nice manner, which just justified these things that opposites attract. Like good attracts good also. But can you just, if at all, you can recall and repeat that, please?
See, what I said was every action has an equal reaction. Okay.
Yeah.
Every action has an equal reaction. That is the Newton's law. So what you do is like whatever actions you are giving through. So if you want blessings for yourself, you are going to give blessings. If you want money, you are going to start giving money and create a circle of money to people. I'm not saying that go and give, thousands and lakhs and everything, to your friend because just because your friends are asking, or no, but at least some amount, one small amount, you can give, like, 5 rupees, 10 rupees to the people, whom you are meeting on the road, or you can help someone by paying for someone's tea. Okay. So that is what I said, कि every action has an equal reaction. Means अगर आप अच्छा करोगे तो आपको अच्छी चीजें मिलेगी, अगर आप बुरा करोगे anyway. And it's not only that, you see, if you are doing अच्छा, you are giving money, but thought में ऐसे लग रहा है यार मेरा पैसा जा रहा है, so that is not a good action. Remember this also. So your thought and your actions have to be equal. You cannot have, good positive this thing and have a doubt also. So if you're having, you're doing this book, but किधर तो भी आपके back of the mind में अभी doubt आ रहा है, you're having a doubt of this book, then this is not going to work for you. Okay. So that is how the every action हैज एन इक्वल रिएक्शन. यानी अगर आप अच्छा करोगे तो आपको अच्छा ही मिलेगा और अच्छा ही दिखेगा. अगर आपके मन में भी थोड़ा थॉट प्रोसेस आ गया ना, बाई को भी, अगर आपकी मेड को भी कुछ देते समय, इफ यू से सम, यू हैव समथिंग वेरी बैड, अरे इसको तो हर महीने देना पड़ता है, इतना छुट्टियां करती है, बट फिर भी मुझे इसको पूरा पगार देना पड़ता है, राइट? This used to come into my mind before. I'm being very frank, because see, we are human beings and we want these people are working for us. So, but when I understood this book and when I started practicing, and I really changed myself, because that thought process went away. Then I said, it's okay, like, even if she's taking holiday. So what happens is, you are giving positive thought to that money because you are giving money. Remember, that is why that day also I said, ki even if you are bargaining, see, bargaining is not wrong. Bargaining is not wrong. Even if you want to bargain, you can bargain. If you really feel कि हाँ भाई, वो 100 रुपए की चीज का मुझे डायरेक्टली डबल बोल रहा है, 200 रुपए बोल रहा है, you can bargain. You can bargain. But money should not be that time into your hand. You should not be having like that money in your hand and then bargaining. Don't talk about money that time very negative or anything. You just tell him कि हाँ भैया, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है आप बहुत ज्यादा पैसा ले रहे हो, बट मुझे डिस्काउंट चाहिए, आप तो मुझे डिस्काउंट दो. So even if you're asking for discount now, the money should not be that. Till you have already bargained, don't remove the money from your wallet.
Okay, got it.
Then you give the money, because when you are keeping the money in your hand, you are giving a negative thought to that money. कि I don't want to give you, you know, then you're not creating a circle of money. So bargaining is not wrong. You can bargain, but where really you feel, कि, okay, he's really charging more. But there are some people who are just taking 10 or 20 rupees their profit. So that time you should not think, you know. And now what I've started doing, I leave 2, 3, 5 rupees, 10 rupees also. Sometimes if the rickshaw wala also does not have change, I said, Bhaiya, rakh lo. Because I feel that 10 rupees I have given him as a, my circle of money. What I'm going to do with that 10 rupees saving also, what will I do? So I just bring that thought process in my mind. And initially I used to have, नहीं, मुझे मेरा पैसा वापस चाहिए. Why should I give him extra? They charge so much. But now my also, thought process has changed. See, that is what I told you all, कि हमको टाइम लगता है ये थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज करने के लिए. इट टेक्स टाइम. इनिशियली इवन आई वाज फ्यू इयर्स बैक व्हेन I had started practicing this book also on my own. Now I was like कि नहीं, मैं ऐसी नहीं थी. But when I started practicing, I started changing myself. And it takes time. It takes time. हम बोलेंगे एक एक महीने में हो जाए, 2 महीने में नहीं. Because our beliefs, I'll tell you, our beliefs have been put right from the childhood, right? पैसा कमाना जरूरी है, पैसा बचाना जरूरी है, फालतू चीजों पे पैसे मत खर्च करो, राइट? ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इसके साथ ऐसे मत रहो, अच्छे लोगों के साथ में ही रहो, बुरे इसके साथ में रहोगे तो बुरे ही बन जाओगे, राइट? तो हमको ये सब चीजें बचपन से, लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स, जो हमको लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स आई है ना, वो हैज कम राइट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. एंड इट टेक्स टाइम. इट टेक्स टाइम. to release all these this thing. So what we in the advanced practices also, we write down our limited beliefs and we tear it, and either we burn it or we give it to universe. So that is how, because that mental practice you have to do. See, writing on the paper and tearing is not going to remove, but when you do that mental practice, that starts giving कि हाँ मैंने कोई चीज को फेंक दिया, कोई मैंने चीज को जैसे हम जब ओल्ड कपड़े हो जाते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं कि हम निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, राइट? देन वी गिव इट टू समवन, और वी थ्रो इट. सो दैट वे द लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स ने आपके अंदर एक घर किया होता है. लाइक दैट डे व्हेन तस्नीम आस्क्ड मी अबाउट नजर का, व्हाट डिड आई से? बिकॉज मुझे मुझे भी अभी भी होता है कभी कभी कि नजर तो नहीं लग जाएगी, नजर तो नहीं लग जाएगी, राइट? बिकॉज हमारे पुरखों ने, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स, आर पेरेंट्स हैव पुट दैट थिंग्स इन आवर माइंड. ओके, but if you are giving good thoughts, if you are giving good blessings to other children, how can you get negative this thing, or how can your child go down if he is doing well in the life? Imagine nothing is going to happen, because I have my trust process. I trust the universe. The universe is not going to do anything wrong with my children. बट अगर अपने दिमाग में वो बचपन से चीज डाली है ना, तो हमको वो बार बार पीछे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में से दैट थॉट विल कम. ये नजर तो नहीं लग जाएगी ना? अरे मैंने इसके सामने बोल दिया, नजर तो नहीं लग जाएगी ना? दिस थिंग्स, बिकॉज हमको वो बिलीव डाली गई थी, राइट? एंड वी वर नॉट द राइट वे ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ. हमने जीना अभी सीखना चालू किया थ्रू दिस बुक. एंड that is why I've got this book. This is another book like Quran. This is another book like Bhagavad Gita. Like it is like another book like how your religious texts are. But see, when you're reading, most of the things you don't understand in Quran, you don't understand in your Bhagavad Gita, or you don't understand in your religious, any text, Bible, anything, like you don't understand many things, right? But this book is such a simple language, and this is what everything is there in our holy text, I'm telling you. But the leaders, the religious leaders, are not letting it come to us. Instead of just cribbing, and this thing, we have to just be thankful for all that we have. And the more we do, more we get, the more we do and experience it. That is what I'm saying. अभी तो सिर्फ शुरू हुई है. अभी तो आप, you all have just reached, means we all have reached, not only you all, but even we have just reached the tip of that iceberg. We still have to reach up. We still have to reach up. It is not, we have, just, we'll get the results in a day or in a month or two. We have just reached still down. We are still learning, and we have to reach up, to that iceberg. So it's every action has an opposite reaction. That is, जो भी सोचते हम, जो भी करते हैं ना, it is not only in that, it is your thought process also. या ऐसा नहीं कि मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ, बट थॉट में मेरा ऐसा आ रहा है कि अरे वो क्यों इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, या वो क्यों इतना अच्छा कर रही है. इफ यू हैव दैट ऑल्सो, देन दैट इज नॉट द राइट थिंग, देन योर प्रैक्टिसेस आर यूजलेस. So the day, these, I'll tell you my personal experience. These practices led me to being a new being, because I don't have any fear. पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा, घर चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, I have good health or no, because all these are the fears and which lead us to the limiting beliefs. But now that fears are not there, now that fears are not there. So these practices are really going to take you into a very different journey, because see, when you, Shabir Bhai, you might have read the book, and when you read the book on your own and when you do the practices together, it really gives a different view. You also might have understood now, because even I have read this book many times on my own. I had my diaries where I used to write, but now I understood why feeling is important. Only when you create that feeling, that vibration comes up, and then you are able to create. And it is
Got
mentioned
it.
in all the books. All this thing is already mentioned, but we ourselves don't know about it, because we never went into that depth. That is why I've started researching also, because when that word came, emerald tablet, is starting of the book, even in the book mentioned Quran and everything, but that emerald tablet, led me to such a thing कि ऐसा क्या रहस्य था उसके अंदर कि they have hidden it from the people. So that is why I researching. I think when Tasnim had come home once, I had shown her also, I think
Yes.